So recently you might have seen that I bought a power supply for my old PC, and that PC I have been using for this bedside PC which I built, a custom kind of build over here on my bed. And as you can see here, I have this Samsung's B2030 monitor mounted on the wall, and this is how it looks like and this is how it ended up. Yes, the cable management is not good at all, but yeah, this is how I made it. And this actually came in my mind that I can use this PC for some particular works like replying to comments, reading, or like replying to the emails, or do some random shopping, and then like from Amazon or Flipkart, and then I can watch some Twitch, maybe without sound because I don't have any sound system plugged in, but I can do that if I want to. So this PC is actually for replying to the comments, reading some Telegram chats or replying to them, and so that I can just like wake up and do some work if I need to right here. So if you haven't seen my other PC's video, you can click on the card right there, which I built with the Ryzen 5 5600X. So in terms of the specs of this particular PC is i5 7th Gen 7400, and here I have a 240GB SSD too from Lighton, I guess is the brand, and then the RAM is about 8GB 2400 MHz single stick. And the power supply, if you haven't seen the video which I made recently, you can watch it from the card right there. I got a Ant Esports VS500L power supply for this particular PC, and since 2 to 3 days it has been working great without any issues. And I would say this is a fairly good setup for me, at least. This is something apart from custom ROMs that I like, getting into PC stuff. This is what I love. So that is why I built this one for me, so that I can wake up and get back to work straight up. So if you are the one who has been commenting on my videos, thank you so much for being there to watch my videos and for commenting, and hopefully I can reply to you guys much quicker. And if you have noticed, from past 24 hours I have been trying to reply to those comments a little bit more quicker. And the monitor which I am using here is a Samsung B2030 monitor. This is, I think, a 20-inch monitor or 19-inch, I am not really sure. 1600 by 900 resolution over here, which I can see. So not quite 1080, but gets the job done. And this is a TN panel, very fast panel, but not accurate with the colors. So this PC is not actually for like watching movies or something. This is just to get the work done again. I'm using this Wi-Fi dongle. You can use any kind of Wi-Fi dongle. I will link some in the description box below, definitely. And the wall mount that I'm using, I bought that too from Amazon, and I'll link it below too, for about 500 rupees, and I had to pay like 150 rupees to a carpenter to get that fixed with the like wall and stuff. I had to put some wood stuff because this monitor's power cables are like not vertical, it's like horizontal, so there has to be like some kind of gap. That is why they had to put some like wood stuff. It was a little bit hectic process. So that guy did it really well to like wall mount this particular monitor. And taking out the stand, oh my god, this, if you have this monitor, if you want to hurt your hands real bad, you can just like try opening the stand of this monitor. Like, it was pathetic experience. And I was watching the Samsung's like official video to open the stand of this particular monitor. They were showing like with the hand, and you have to pull the stand right like from here. It never works. It literally never works. Like, all the comments that I saw, don't use the hands, use your legs. I was like, what the hell? Then I tried with my leg. Like, I literally stand on the monitor stand with my foot and all my weight on the stand. Then I pull the monitor hard, like towards like upside. Only then the monitor stand came out. Otherwise, the stand of this monitor never comes out, literally never. And the keyboard which I am using here, I just bought it recently because of this particular PC. This is a basic keyboard. Like, I bought it for 350 rupees from Flipkart. I'll link all the parts over here which I'm using below. Do not worry, or if I can find a better one, I can list that in the description box below. So do check it out. The mouse is a B100, as you can see, Logitech B100. Again, basic mouse, like some 275 rupees I bought it for. And I have used this particular mouse for editing for about a year or so, and this mouse has been like great with me, and still it's working great. So for 275 rupees, you can't go wrong with this Logitech mouse, in my opinion. And the noise levels you can like hear from the power supply or something. Noise levels are great, it doesn't make much noise. The PC is right here. If I can show you, it's like I can touch it from here. If I lean like this, I can touch the PC right here, which is here. So yeah, this is my bedside PC setup. The i5 7th Gen is not that of a bad CPU for basic tasks. Of course, faster than a lot of laptops right now. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. This is just a fun video to like show you guys my bedside PC setup. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel down there if you have not yet. This is Steve from KD and Dick signing off, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.